Have you ever been told no to something you desperately wanted? Rejected from your dream job, your ideal school, or that one opportunity you thought was your golden ticket? Warren Buffett was, at 19 years old, filled with ambition and already earning more money than most adults. Warren applied to the prestigious Harvard Business School. Confident, sharp, and already business savvy, he thought he was a shoo-in. But life had other plans. Rejected, turned down flat. Most people would take that as a sign to stop, to give up, but not Warren. And here's the first powerful lesson of this chapter: rejection isn't the end. Sometimes, it's the redirection you didn't know you needed. Warren didn't let the rejection define him. Instead, he pivoted. He discovered that Columbia University was home to a professor he deeply admired, Benjamin Graham, the man who literally wrote the book on value investing, The Intelligent Investor. For Warren, this wasn't just Plan B. This was destiny. At Columbia, Warren immersed himself in Graham's teachings. He wasn't learning how to gamble on the stock market. He was studying how to truly understand the value of a business. Graham's philosophy wasn't about chasing trends or the next hot stock tip. It was about something much deeper. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Let that sink in. Most people obsess over the price of a stock. Is it up today? Down tomorrow? Should I sell? Buy? Panic? But Warren learned that none of that mattered if you focused on value. The real question was, what is this company actually worth? And is the price I'm paying for it less than that true value? This wasn't just investing. This was buying pieces of businesses with real products, real people, and real futures. While others were chasing the next big thing, Warren was learning to hunt for hidden gems, companies that were solid, stable, and underappreciated by the rest of the market. And Graham gave him more than just formulas and charts. He gave Warren a mindset, a way of thinking that would serve as the foundation for the rest of his career. Lesson: your edge in life and investing is often psychological. It's about patience, discipline, and tuning out the noise. Warren would later say that The Intelligent Investor is by far the best book on investing ever written. But beyond the pages of any book, Warren absorbed the mindset of a value investor, someone who looks beneath the surface and understands that wealth is built by owning great businesses, not just stocks. And here's the kicker: if Harvard had accepted him, he might never have met Graham. He might never have built the philosophy that led to Berkshire Hathaway. He might never have become the Warren Buffett we know today. So next time life slams a door in your face, remember Warren's story. Sometimes rejection is just setting you up for something even better. Ask yourself, what rejection have you experienced that could actually be a redirection? Where might your Benjamin Graham be waiting? Because here's the truth: success doesn't come from never failing. It comes from refusing to quit. And this chapter of Warren's life, it wasn't just about finding a mentor. It was about finding the very foundation of his empire. Lesson: seek mentors who challenge your thinking. Learn from the best. And when you find principles that work, build your life around them. This is where the true Warren Buffett story begins. Armed with the knowledge of value investing, Warren was ready to put theory into action. But what came next was even more unexpected. Because sometimes, to build an empire, you have to start with something broken. Harvard's rejection could have been the end of the road, but for Warren Buffett, it was the start of something far greater. At Columbia, he would meet the legendary Benjamin Graham, whose wisdom on value investing would become the foundation of Buffett's fortune. But how did he take these lessons and turn them into real money? In Chapter 3, we explore how Warren Buffett made his first real fortune and discover the secret weapon that would make him one of the richest men in history.